The alert for a major earthquake will end at 5 p.m. on August 15th.
Hello guys, update sa Nankai Throw o big earthquake na in-expect natin. It's officially closed at 5 p.m. today, 15th day of August 2024. According to the government of Japan, dahil walang nangyayaring pakilos doon sa throw na yon o yung plate, no? Dyan sa Nankai, part of Japan. So they already concluded that we are not expecting the big earthquake. Thank you to the prayers. Alam ko maraming mga prayer warriors. And yon, narinig ang ating dasal. So starting from now, everything is normal, pero hindi pa rin tayo pwede magkumpiyansa. Stay alert pa rin tayo. Pero according to the officials of Japan, yung mga nagmamanage dyan sa earthquake situation, the big or mega earthquake alert is officially over at 5 p.m. today, August 15. So yung mga binili kong mga tubig, mga pagkain, syempre tambay lang din lang, di natin alam kung kailan darating. Pero according to the officials here in Japan, it's now over.
The Japan Meteorological Agency has not detected any abnormal changes since it began closely monitoring any signs of a megaquake. Following the magnitude 7.1 earthquake that occurred in the Hugonada Sea in southwestern Japan on August 8th, an alert warning for a possible megaquake in the Nankai Trough region was issued. The weather agency has said that there is now a greater likelihood of a significant earthquake occurring at the assumed source area of the Nankai Trough earthquake than would normally be expected. The agency has confirmed that 24 earthquakes with a Japanese seismic intensity of 1 or higher, including one with an intensity of lower 6, have been observed in the assumed source area of the earthquake by noon on August 12th. The maximum Japanese seismic intensity is 7. The Japan Meteorological Agency and the Cabinet Office are urging people to maintain an evacuation-ready stance for 1 week following the earthquake. The agency said on August 13th that if no further changes are observed, the alert for a major earthquake will end at 5 p.m. on August 15th.